Why do day traders lose money? It's common knowledge that the majority of people that try day trading are never profitable, that they consistently lose money. So, why is that? One of the common reasons why day traders fail is due to emotional trading, like fear and greed. Emotional trading can lead to impulsive decision making, overtrading, and not following a defined strategy. Another reason is poor risk management, such as not having a stop loss strategy or sizing positions incorrectly. And this can lead to large losses and depletion of a trader's capital. Lack of knowledge and experience is also a reason for failure because day trading requires a good fundamental understanding of technical and fundamental analysis, market dynamics, and a good thorough understanding of the risks involved. And finally, having unrealistic expectations, like expecting to make large profits quickly with minimal effort, is going to lead to failure also. Day trading is a challenging and complex profession, and it's important to have a long-term viewpoint and approach it with both patience and discipline if you really want to be successful. Now follow me for more day trading tips.